All right, y'all. So I just finished trading. I'm about to give a recap. So I'm finna hop on the charts and kind of show y'all today's trading. I went from red to green today. Um, and it was well. I ain't go from red to green. I lost some profit today. Y'all know if you watched my last video, I made some good money last night, but I ended up losing some of the profit, and I ended up getting it back, and I ended the day up pretty nice. Um, but it was a fight this morning because it was a little choppy before Trump got on. Trump released some news and stuff like that. But overall, it was still a solid day. I had a great night last night, but yeah, we up. You know what I'm saying? We up for the day. So if it hop on the charts, let y'all see my trade. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, leave a comment down below. Let's get it. What's good, y'all, man? Welcome back to another video. So I just finished trading with my Discord, and it was a rough morning. And I'm gonna break down the trades we took, but we did get green on the day, so I am in profits for the day. But today was like the morning at least was very shitty. So this is today's price action right here, and I just want to kind of break down the trades that I took and why I was taking them. So coming into today, y'all know I made like what 2,300 last night. Um, and today I ended up losing some profits, but I ended up getting it back. Um, so if you look at price this morning, we rallied throughout the night. We pulled back near the open, and I was trying to long around this resistance area here, which is like 5680. Okay. I was looking for longs around this 5680 area, right? That was my initial game plan today was long the market. Okay. But if we come in here, I took like four losses just in this chop right here. I ended up getting long here at this three bar reversal, like right here. And when it's lightly green, boom, but then I end up getting stopped out at this low. Okay. I end up going long again. Now my plan was to only long above this red zone. Okay. This is 5680. My plan was long above it. So I end up getting long again here because I'm expecting us to take out pre-market highs and overnight highs. And that's typically why I was looking to get long. So I got long again. Boom. Got stopped out instantly again. Okay. Boom. I think I took like two other scalps before that. I think I took like two others. I did take two other scalps, but I can't remember exactly where they were. But I took like four losing trades, like four. Now I was trading micros, so I only was trading like two and three micros at a time. So it wasn't a big loss. I was in drawdown though, so I was down about a good 400. And then I did finally take this final winner. Now, if you zoom out, right, I trade support and resistance. Um, and I was trying to get early entries, so and I ended up getting stopped out on them. Now, if you look, we ended up coming down into this huge level here. So we go to a higher time frame, you be able to see that market literally pulled back beautifully into this structure over here. Now, I was trying to long off of this structure because this is some strong structure as well. But the market just wanted to go a little bit lower, and it came down towards this structure right here, which would have been a great entry, textbook trade, bullish engulfing here. That would have been a great trade. But I was a little early. You can see we got a bullish engulfing on this 15 minute, but it ended up getting stopped out too. Then you get another bullish engulfing, and the market decides to run. Um, so I end up getting long again, which this trade I added size to. I got myself out of the red, and then we end up hitting our target because the whole target for the day was this high up here. That was our target for the entire morning. Now it didn't happen until Trump started speaking and all that bullshit, but we end up taking another trade at above 5680 because for me, I don't take longs underneath resistance. So I was waiting for us to get back above this resistance here. And as you can see, we end up getting long off of this candle here, right at 5680, like right here on this pullback at 5680. We got long there. And I was super confident in this trade to the point where I added to the trade. I added size to it. And boom, it ran right towards my targets. And boom, was able to walk away green. I did lock the account up. Damn. Phone is dead, so I'll probably try to put a screenshot in this video. But did walk away green on the day, and it's crazy. I could have made a lot more. It's just this chop right here kind of like really fucked me up in here. So we end up creating like a little expanding range pattern. Oops, wrong tool. So an expanding range pattern is typically when you get something like this. And once I kind of seen this, I knew we were going to run right back towards the highs. But I had to wait for us to get above 5680 because that's the trigger level today. 5680 is a super important level. I waited for us to get above it, took the trade, boom, target hit. And all of that, all of those small losses we took here, we were able to capitalize by adding size to the trade because now we have a confirmed trade. Bullish engulfing 5 minute, bullish engulfing 10 minute, bullish engulfing 15 minute. We just got back above structure. So once this bullish engulfing closed, I took the trade long and boom, another win. Okay. Well, but yeah, it was rough. This little chop right here, it was choppy as shit, ranging like hell, man. Then we caught this last play. So overall, a good day. A choppy day turned into a good day. I did get out a little too early because you see the market clearly popped a little higher. But I was like, you know what? It's been a long morning, so I took all my cash, man. Um, but yeah, that was it. You know, you just gotta when it comes to trading, you gotta just take trades that you're comfortable taking. Make sure you managing the risk because taking three, four losses within a chop, if you don't manage risk properly and you try to trade with like size, you will be destroyed by the time the market move does happen. So I know typically when the market can get choppy, so I tend to go very light size, and then I tend to look to add size once the trade goes in my direction. A lot of traders don't even know how to add or aren't comfortable adding because it moves their average. But I've been trading, I have the experience, and I'm just comfortable trading the way I trade because I've been doing it so long. You know what I mean? So yeah, ended up taking finally a good long to end the day, and that was that. So yeah, and I think and also we had a weekly inside bar, and I was expecting us to take the high of the weekly candle, and as y'all can see, we literally did that. So was trading somewhere around here. We end up taking the high of this weekly bar. What I probably should have did was drew a field from that last weekly bar to the high and see where we were. And it looks like we got very close to that 50 field and ended up bouncing. Looked like we bounced off 5600, which was well, that was the low of the day. We didn't come nowhere near that today, honestly. Yeah, we ain't coming nowhere near. But the market ripped. I'm low key sad because I didn't hold no runners. And I knew it was gonna go higher, but I just wanted to lock my cash in because I ain't wanted Trump speaking. Yeah, we just had a huge pop, but trust that motherfucker can come right back down. Like that hoe can come right back down. So I locked my cash in, and I'm done for the day, man. It's over with. Um, so yeah, y'all. Now if you would like to trade with me live Monday through Friday and finally change your life when it comes to trading, you gotta join the Discord. You have guaranteed results. Like I can show you the Discord all day. I can show you testimonies, reviews all day. But if you have to be one, you have to want to, elevate your trading. You have to want to make consistent income with this shit. I can't tell you how to do it, but if you want to learn the correct way, you want to be comfortable doing, you want to be confident doing it, you gotta just check out the Discord community. Like it's cheap. It's literally only $25 a month. But it's up to you. I can't beg you to do it. I'm not gonna beg you to do it. I make my money. We make our money. But if you want to join us and finally learn and be able to do this shit for your own without the stress of it, you got to come trade with us because it's literally damn near a money hack. I'm telling you, like, and this is because of proven results. I'm not just saying this to say it. This is like proven results. Like, people's lives are being changed. People are quitting their jobs. And no, I'm not the biggest trader in the world. I might not have the most followers and most subscribers, but I'm a consistent trader and I've been doing this a long time. And I guarantee I probably have more experience than your favorite trader because I was trading before a lot of people weren't trading. Like I'm a vet into this shit. I'm literally a vet in this shit, you know. So you want to learn from somebody with the experience, man, and you gotta just be around the motherfucker with the experience. That's it. Once you learn and pick up on the good habits that someone that has been doing this a long time, once you pick up their habits, trading will literally change for you. And I'm just being honest. So other than that, y'all, make sure you subscribe if you're new. Like the video, leave a comment down below. Give me some video ideas to post for my next videos. I've been trying to just give y'all these trade recaps daily. We're gonna start back vlogging too. So yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one.